Do you ever wish you could be more flexible in your job and that you could access the information you needed whenever you need it? Do you ever ask yourself if there might be a smarter way of getting things done using the modern tools you have access to? My name is Ulrika Hedlund. For years, I've worked as a productivity advisor, helping users get more value out of technology. I'm very happy to share that your organization has organized for me to help you get more value out of your Office 365 subscription by providing you with a number of videos where I will guide you through the various tools and services available in Office 365. In our very own story-based tutorials, you will see how my team and I use these tools in our workday, and you will learn how to use them more effectively.